Namaskar. Hello friends, I am Manish Singh. You are watching Manish Singh Spiritual. First of all, I just clarify you, this is not a guided meditation. This is a pure meditation technique. This is only a meditation technique which is propounded by Gautam Buddha. Before 2500 years ago, Gautam Buddha was explained this technique, but because of our unknowingness, we forgot the technique and we started preaching Gautam Buddha as a god. But Gautam Buddha also told that you have to practice meditation techniques, then only you can achieve a higher state. There is no problem to pray Gautam Buddha because he explained a wonderful technique, a very useful technique to meditate. But if we forgot to do meditation and only we are engaging in only praying and only praying of Gautam Buddha, it doesn't mean, it doesn't work. So it's my kind request, you can pray Gautam Buddha, but along with you have to give more focus on his technique, then only it is worth of your praying Gautam Buddha. There is a misconception in the peoples how to do meditation. There is a questions when, where and how to do meditation. So just let me clarify each in detail. The first one, where. You can do meditation any place where there is a very calm and very peaceful atmosphere. Either it is at your home, your residence, at any place where you feel suitable and there is no disturbance, no one disturb you. So this place is suitable for meditation. Second, when. You can do meditation at any time, morning, evening, night, day, any time. And either you can do for a 10 minutes, 1 hour or more than of it. But at least morning and evening you should practice 1 hour daily meditation. Third and important question, how to do meditation? So meditation is very simple, a very simple method. Before starting to meditation, you have to understand your breath is your guru. You should not follow any person, anything. Only your breath is your guru. You have to follow only your breath as your guru. So Gautam Buddha was explained a Vipassana meditation. What does mean by Vipassana? In Vipassana, there are two methods. The first one, it is called anapanasati. What does mean by this anapanasati? Anapanasati is the word or is the language in Pali. It means ana means taking breath. Apana means outgoing breath. So we have to focus our incoming and outgoing breath for at least 10 minutes. How it works? as you are trying to concentrate on your breath, incoming breath and outgoing breath, your mind is going to silence, concentrate. Then after these 10 minutes, you can go for a Vipassana. Vipassana means V means a special and Pasana it means see, watch, look. Special, you have to look all the sensation which is on your body because of your chitta. So you have to consciously see all the sensation which arises on your body due to the chitta and mind collapse. So in this technique, as you have to start Vipassana, you have to see from head to feet, feet to head, the sensation on different parts of the body. Sometimes may you feel very hot, very cold. Sometimes you feel very heavy, very light. Maybe sometimes you feel a very unconscious, unhappy sensation, and sometimes very happily sensation. So you have to always feel the sensation. You should not analyze it is good or it is bad. Sensation is only sensation. You have to only observe. Just like you are sitting at the bank of river and the river is just flowing. So you have to look only the sensation. You should not react anything. Otherwise, you will turn on another way from the meditation. So I hope you understand the basic things of meditation and how to sit. It's very simple. You have to sit on one asana. It should be a bed or a one carpet, and you can also keep one pillow over it, so you can make your body straight. It can give relaxation to your backbone. Then you have to sit in a normal position, a normal asana in which you are comfortable. Your backbone should be straight, not too much straight, not too much loose. It should be normal. Your head should be straight, not up, not down. And the last, your hands, the fingers should be locked, or either you can keep your hands one above. You can sit in a very normal position. Then as the I start instructed, you will close your eyes and follow the instruction. Then you should not see any dreams. You have to observe the sensation only. One more thing which is very important. At last, as the meditation started, you will not be able to listen any types of music, any types of sound, because we have to look only on our breath. We have to see only our breath. We should not concentrate on any other part. Then whatever the sensation you feel, it is only yours, not mine, not any others. So you have to believe only on your sensation. So now I can request you, please sit on a place, sit properly, lock your finger, sit very relaxed position. Then as I told, close your eyes. Then you have to listen instruction and do meditation. So now I request you, please close your eyes very slowly and start meditation.